Dina.
Alright, bring me your camera. Show Nana your camera.
Alright, get ready. Here comes Dina. Here comes Dina. Hey.
Alright, go jump in the leaves. Go on. Jump!
Jump in there, Anna.
Jump in there.
I tried to get all in my hair.
Trying to get all down your pants.
Dad tried to hit me.
You gonna jump again? Woo!
There it goes.
It hurt. Oh, to